How to buy crypto on Changelly website. Are you guys facing issues to buy cryptocurrencies on Changelly website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for Changelly website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you are logged in, you will be forwarded to this interface where you can see these options. Just simply tap on buy. Once you click on buy, select your your currency that you have on your bank account. If you are from US citizen, then just simply select USD and write down the amount that you want to buy your amount with that. For example, if you want to buy cryptocurrency of $1,000 now, just simply write down the amount and select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. If you want to buy Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. It will take some time to load up. If you invest $1,000, then you will get 0.0088378 Bitcoin. Now click on next step. Once you click on next step, you need to write down the destination address of Bitcoin. Once you write down the address, click on next step. Once you click on next step, you need to write down the amount or your skill, registered email and password to verify the purchase. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna buy cryptocurrency on Changelly. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.